Introducing our bagging machine. It features an auto-calibration system that constantly monitors and adjusts the film's position. The machine smoothly forms the packaging film into bags, employing a reliable bag-forming mechanism. It is suitable for packaging snacks, confectionery, fresh and frozen foods, pet food and non-food, metal and plastic items. With precise bag length control, transparent films are accurately measured using a servo motor, while colored films with color codes are detected and controlled by a specialized sensor. The pneumatic mechanism ensures a strong and secure seal, as well as clean and precise bag cutting, resulting in professional and attractive packaging. It can be used with a multi-head weigher to bag granules or an auger filler to bag powder. Whatever your packaging needs are, you can rely on ZONESUN.